A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School Lonavala. Today's session is Standard 5th, Subject EVS 2. Previous video you have learned 3.1 Formation of the Earth. An enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed cause it to divide into several portions. Children, in this today's video, we will see beginning of life on the earth and the animal world on the earth. Children, this splitting created sun and the planet. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist, and that is life is formed. After the formation of the Earth, it took about 80 crores years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed. As earlier picture, you had seen how the dust particles spinning it divided into portion. It was very hot one. That time on the earth layers formed. While it was spinning and it took about 80 crores years for the surface of the earth cool down and water bodies to be formed on it. The first living organism developed in water. They were the unicellular organism. Unicellular means one or single cell. As you can see in the picture, the unicellular organism doesn't have any shape or form. These unicellular organisms are called protozoa. Later on, from these unicellular organism, multicellular living thing develop. Here are some examples of unicellular organism. The protozoa. They are so tiny that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. We need a microscope to see them. As you can see in the picture, children, they were so small. If it is present in the water, we won't able to see with our normal eyes. We need microscope to see it. As you see microscope picture, it is given over here. You have seen microscope in science lab, in your science lab. Last year, you have seen microorganism through this microscope, isn't it? Now children, we will go to the living world on the earth. The living world on the earth consists of plants and animals. Here in this chapter, we will learn little more about animal world. The animal world on the earth. Here some main characteristics of animals are given. Characteristics means features of quality, features or quality belong to that particular things. So first characteristics of animal is animal can breathe. As you know, every living things an animal breathes. Animals second, animals move in order to get food or for other purpose. Animal move about one place to another in search of food. The wild animal go to other places for hunting purpose. Now third characteristic, animals or species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. Some species lay eggs. As you can see in the picture, chick is coming out of the eggs. The same manner, crocodile, reptiles, they also lay eggs and from that the young one come. Animals of some other species give birth to their young one. You can see in the picture over here, apart from that Cow, monkey, elephants, all these, they give birth to their young one. They are called as a mammal. Children, let's have a quick revision. In this lesson, we learn formation of the earth, solar system, and how our earth formed. Second, beginning of life on the earth. In that we see the surface need cool down after 80 crores years, right? Then water bodies appear. In that water bodies, various kinds of unicellular organism appear. That protozoa first appear in the water. Then we see we need a microscope to see this tiny protozoa, right children? And the third one, the animal world on the earth. This living world on the earth consists of plants and animals. The main characteristics of animal, three characteristics. Animal can breathe, animal can move around to get the foods for all the purpose. Third one, animal can reproduce their young one. Right children? This all we learn in this chapter. So, I hope you enjoy learning this chapter. Now read the chapter from your textbook, mark down the important points and try to find out the answers. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day. Keep learning something new.